Here we come to the elevator at McLean Gymnasium at Baylor University in Waco. Finally found something older. I think this is a Montgomery. I'm not going to do all the elevators here at Baylor because I'm only here to just focus on the vintage ones, and I only have this much amount of time. Yes, this is a Montgomery. This was definitely worth filming. The cab looks almost like a department store style. This kind of reminds me of the one exactly, this exactly is identical to the one at a medical facility I filmed in Baylor, Texas. I forgot the name of. But these are fixtures. They're Epco Circle Line fixtures of some sort from 1984. Anyways, I'm gonna take it up one floor and let you hear the motor. Okay, let's take it back down to one because I gotta go eat lunch here soon. I am really hungry right now. I am starving. But I'm glad I found something vintage here. Hopefully I get to explore a little bit here the next time I come back here again. Oh, I also forgot to test out the bumper too. Oh, didn't mean to bump that. All right, there it goes. Yeah, that's it.